Right then, people, we are going to make sure that our enemy overlaps with the projectile. And we want to destroy that sprite with some effects like we did before. So let's go and destroy sprites. Go and find that destroy sprite button again. Where's the destroy sprite? Is it in effects? I think it is. There it is. It's a little one, but we can expand it. And we want to destroy sprite. Oh, that's not what we want, is it? Who do we want to destroy? Who do we want to destroy? We actually want to destroy, don't we? We want to destroy. Uh, who is it we want to destroy? We don't want to destroy my sprite. Let's go and get a fresh one. We wanted to go and destroy, go into my effects and go and destroy my sprite. We don't destroy my sprite. Now, if this is wrong, remember, we get a black triangle and we can change it because we know what's going to be correct and what's going to be wrong inside our game when we play it. I think we want to destroy my enemy, which is the pioneer. Okay, so let's go and see destroy enemy. Oh, we don't get a black triangle in this one. Let's go and get an effect. We don't want a spray effect. What should I have? Now, I haven't used ashes, but we could use a blizzard, I suppose, and use ashes for this one. And I only want it for a short period of time. I don't want it for too long. And then we actually want to destroy the other sprite at the same time, don't we? We don't, because we don't want to. We don't want both of them happening at the same time. We don't want our cannon and our. We don't want the enemy and the cannon being there at the same time. So we actually have to destroy both of them at the same time. So this time it says my sprite is going to get the black triangle again. Tusk. We want to destroy the other sprite at the same time. Let's go and see. Let's go and see if this is correct and see if this actually works. We might get a black triangle. Who knows? We're going to play it, see what happens. So this time, we want to go and destroy our other sprite and see and test if this happens. So you can test it, and I will see you in the next video.